Hey guys, this is Surin. Today I'm talking about OnePlus 5T, and without wasting time, just start the video. So today in this video we are talking about OnePlus 5T, the confirmed specs. So the specs are the OnePlus 5T is sporting a 6.0-inch display with a 2160 into 1080 resolution that translates into an 18:9 aspect ratio. For RAM and ROM, their 6 GB RAM model with 64 GB ROM and an 8 GB RAM model with 128 GB of storage. Rear camera is listed as an 16 megapixel sensor, but we know it is a dual camera setup. The front camera has been bumped up from 16 megapixel to 20 megapixel. And it also has a audio jack splitter. You can also see it on your screen. So these are the basic actually concept, or you can say basic specifications in which the phone is based. It is completely like a OnePlus 5. So when the this phone was launching on 16th November 2017, and when this phone was launched by the company, I'll definitely make the differences between OnePlus 5 and the OnePlus 5T. So subscribers, stay subscribed, and now you watch that much, so don't go without like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Please like and share. Bye.